Have you ever wondered what it would be like to keep more of the money you earn and see your finances improve? What if changing how you think about taxes could help you reach your goals faster? Today, we delve into the art and science of tax minimization, a practice refined and employed by the world's wealthiest individuals. These strategies are more than just clever tricks. They are fundamental principles that can help you optimize your financial resources and build lasting wealth. We'll explore a range of techniques from leveraging tax-deferred accounts to strategic charitable giving. But stay tuned, because the most crucial idea, the one that could revolutionize your approach to tax and wealth, will be unveiled at the end of this video. Welcome to Financial Thoughts, your beacon of insight on the journey to becoming the next great millionaire. Here, we provide not just advice, but inspiration for those who aspire to elevate their financial wisdom. If you're ready to transform your financial mindset and embrace strategies that can change your life, don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us on this path to financial enlightenment. High taxes. In a traditional tax scenario, imagine you're earning $1 million in salary. This straightforward approach to earning and paying taxes is familiar to most people. With a 40% income tax rate, the taxes you owe are quite significant. After the government takes its share, you're left with $600,000. While this is still a substantial amount, it's clear that a large portion of your earnings is going to taxes. This high tax scenario highlights how conventional income taxation can impact your overall financial picture. For many, this is the default approach to handling earnings. However, for those looking to maximize their wealth, understanding and exploring alternative tax strategies can be crucial. This scenario sets the stage for appreciating the benefits of tax minimization techniques that can lead to more favorable financial outcomes. Less tax now, consider a different approach, earning $1 million through company stock instead of a traditional salary. When you receive compensation in the form of stock, you are subject to capital gains tax rather than ordinary income tax. Typically, capital gains tax is lower, let's say 25% in this case, when you eventually sell the stock. This shift in how you earn can make a significant difference in your net income. After selling the stock and paying the 25% capital gains tax, you end up with $750,000. This method of compensation not only reduces the percentage of your earnings that goes to taxes, but also demonstrates how strategic compensation planning can enhance your financial position. By leveraging stock compensation, you retain more of your earnings, showcasing a key strategy used by wealthy individuals to minimize taxes and increase their wealth. No tax. For the most tax-efficient scenario, consider leveraging your assets in a way that avoids immediate taxation. Suppose you have $1 million in company stock. Instead of selling the stock, you use it as collateral to secure a bank loan. This approach allows you to access funds without incurring immediate income taxes. Essentially, you're using your assets to get liquidity while postponing the tax impact. By utilizing stock as collateral, you sidestep the need to pay taxes on the borrowed funds right away. This strategy not only helps you avoid an immediate tax hit, but also preserves your assets for potential future growth. Taxes are deferred until you eventually sell the stock. This approach illustrates a sophisticated technique used by wealthy individuals to access capital while strategically managing their tax liabilities, emphasizing the importance of creative financial planning in wealth accumulation. As we've journeyed through the art and science of tax minimization, it's evident that the path to wealth is paved not just with hard work, but with strategic financial thinking. The high tax scenario underscores the conventional approach many adhere to, where a significant portion of your earnings is handed over in taxes. Yet by exploring alternatives, such as receiving compensation through stock or leveraging your assets, you can significantly improve your financial outcomes. These strategies reveal how the wealthiest individuals harness tax minimization not as a mere trick, but as a fundamental principle in their quest for financial growth. Now, it's your turn to apply these insights to your own financial journey. Embrace the lessons of strategic compensation and asset management to optimize your wealth-building efforts. For more transformative ideas and in-depth financial wisdom, don't forget to explore our other videos and subscribe to Financial Thoughts. Because in the end, when you transform your thoughts, you truly transform your life.